At Unleashed, we understand that in order to keep track of your sales orders and their progress, you may need to create custom statuses that match your internal processes. In this video, you'll learn how to create, use, view, and report on the status of your sales orders with the help of custom statuses. To create custom order statuses, go to Settings, System, and Sales Order Statuses. As a default, Unleashed has fixed statuses: parked, deleted, completed, backordered, and placed. To create a custom status, give it a name. This needs to be under 15 characters. Choose a color and click Add. Please note that you can create up to 10 custom order statuses. Now that we have them set up, I'm going to use them in my sales orders. When I view a sales order, underneath the Save button, I can see my new custom order statuses right below the default statuses. These are listed in alphabetical order, and once you choose a status, you will see that the status of the sales order has changed within the sales order itself and in the status column in the View Sales Order page. You can continue to update the status of your sales order as it goes through its normal internal processes up until it's completed. Here's an example. Today, I'm responsible for shipping, so what I'll do is use the filter options to filter for the custom status Ready to Ship. Now I know what I need to focus on, and using the action cogs on the right or the bulk actions on the left, I can quickly and easily move these orders through our internal processes. The custom statuses you create pull into most reports. If you use one of our most popular reports as an example, using the status filter in the Sales Inquiry report, I can select the statuses I need to focus on. This has provided me the visibility to monitor the progress of our warehouse team in dispatching our goods to our customers. With flexible sales order statuses, you'll be able to see where sales orders are in their process, allow better focus on orders that you need to work on, identify bottlenecks, and much more. Thank you for watching.